Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. My name is Michael Faraday. You might know me for my law of induction, electrochemistry, and the Faraday effect. Just a little background. The Faraday effect is the rotation of the plane of polarization between light and a magnetic field. Just some studies that I've done before. But I'm here to talk to you today about something that could revolutionize possibly the future. I have been working with electricity and magnetism to develop something I have called the DC motor. I have built a prototype. It does work. I do not have it with me, so I'm going to show you just about what this thing can do on a drawing of a piece of paper, alright? So if you see here, you have a battery, right? Just a simple DC battery, plus side, minus side, right? Hook that up to two wires, one coming off the plus and one coming off the minus side. Hook these up to those wires, right? And hook this up to any magnetic conducting source. Alright, so just a little coil of metal here. Make a little loop at the end because it's going to hold a copper coil. Do the same thing on this side. Alright, holding that copper coil. You're going to need to solder that down. Solder this down right here to ensure the proper electric flow from the battery to the magnetic, to the metal conductor. And what we're going to put in between here is a coil, just a coil of copper wire. It's going to look something like this, just one end coming off the other, one end coming off that side. And what you're going to do is on half, see if this is an enlarged version of the end of that copper wire, we're going to need to shear the coating off of one side. So if this is how it looks, just one side shear completely off, the other side leave it there, and then on this side right here we're going to shear off the entire thing. So shear it all off. This is going to serve as our ground. So when you hook it up just like this, held together through those by those little metal hooks right here, hooked up to that battery, and you hold a little magnet right here, a little magnet right here. It can be on a stand if you want it to be. And what you're going to do is if you spin this, the magnets, because of this electricity flowing through the coil, the magnets will keep it spinning and spinning and spinning as long as the magnets are held in place and the coil is held in place. And what I think that this can do is generate power that could possibly revolutionize our future. I think it could take, we could build maybe cranes that could carry things from a lower area to the higher area for those people that are building tall buildings. And I think that it could maybe help with labor, something that could help people drill holes faster instead of hammering pegs, or possibly something that could make people not have to sew like hand by hand. They could sew for them. It would just revolutionize the process. Thank you.